Today we got a video that I'm really excited for because my taillights are in, and if you remember the taillights on my Fusion, you know that was real nice and real special, but now I got the taillights for the BMW, and to me they way nicer, if I say so myself. But quick updates on the car. So I did end up getting 5% tint done, just the sides and the back windshield, but it looks pretty good. I was gonna get the front windshield done, but I don't know if I'm gonna do it yet. I will go back and get maybe 35% done, but yeah, it's 5% on the sides and the back. Looks pretty nice. Also, another update, I swapped out the stop button right here. It was all scratched up and messed up, and we swapped it out and put a nice red one in. Yeah, the red is cool, but I think the black would have went a little better, but I guess it looks all right. I wanted to shoot this outside because sunlight, I think it would have looked a little better, but it's really cold, and I don't mess with the cold. So I'm gonna shoot it in the garage, but let's get right into it. First thing we're gonna do is take out the stock taillights. So we're about to get started on it now. Then once we do that, I'll show y'all the new taillights, and then we'll install those too. All right, so the first step is we gotta move this cover, and just gotta move this bolt right here, this flat head bolt. So we're gonna take that out. Next, we gotta move these two bolts right here. I believe these are two 10mm bolts, so we're gonna move them out now. All right, so now that we got the bolts off, all that we do now is pull the tail light out, and then we'll unplug it from the harness that's inside there. All right, so now that we have this light out, we're gonna clean all this out because we don't want to put something new and something dirty. So let's clean this out real quick. So here are the lights now. As you can see, these are the stock ones. These are the new ones. I got them blacked out because I wanted to do more like a murdered out look to the car. A little ASMR real quick. These are absolutely gorgeous. You can't really get the full effect of what they look like because they're so dark, but once I get them put in, and I'll show you guys how they look. All right, so now what we're gonna do, we're gonna put this light in and connect it to the harness right here. All right, now that we got it connected, do not tuck these red and yellow cords, do not tuck these in, make sure you leave them out. And we also don't need this right here, this little piece on top. Just take this off. Quick little test to make sure that they work. Go ahead. Those look amazing. Oh wow, those look great. All right, so next thing we do is we remove these right here and right here. That way we can move this trunk liner out, and then we can end up removing the smaller tail lights right here. All right, so once you get these little clips off and you pull these off, next it's these small Phillips head screws you gotta get out here. All right, so it's 6 right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then you gotta get these off too to be able to remove this whole thing. All right, so now that we got the trunk lid down, now what we have to do is unplug the tail lights from the harness, and then it's like a little bracket right here. I think that's the 8mm socket. We'll have to unscrew that, and then we'll be able to take the tail light out. Here's the new tail light, a little bit more ASMR. All right, so before we put this on, we have to remove this bracket right here. Once we remove the bracket, we can put the tail light in, and then we'll have to put this bracket back on top, and this holds the tail light in place. All right, so when you're putting the smaller tail light on, let the hooks hook onto the little ledge. Once you get it hooked on, then you'll lay this side down. So make sure you hook it on first, then lay it down, and then start screwing the bracket on. Hold this down, that way you can keep it flush. All right, so now we'll attach this blue piece into the harness up here, and then we'll stick these ballasts onto the back side of the trunk. All right, so now what we'll do is we'll run this red and yellow cable up through here and all the way up along the OEM harness up into the connectors, and then we'll connect it as such. All right, now that we got it fully in, let's go ahead and knock out this other side. All right, y'all, so the taillights are finally on. They look absolutely amazing. They look absolutely amazing. This is crazy. And then unlock the car. But that'll be it for this video right here. I got some more mods in today, but I'm gonna put those on tomorrow and we'll make another video out of that. But these look great. If anybody interested in getting a pair of these, I'm gonna leave a link in the description below. Make sure you like, subscribe, make sure you hit that notification bell so you're alerted when I drop my next video on my next mods. Appreciate y'all for coming through. Peace out.